The MySQL-to-PostgreSQL migration is complete. Before cutover, let's verify the actual values, not just the row count. On the left is the MySQL source. On the right is the PostgreSQL target. This is a validation walkthrough. We deliberately changed one target order total to show what the check catches. Both tables still contain 5 rows. The row count says the migration completed, not that the data matches. In SQL Console, connect both databases in one session and compare them directly. The session starts with MySQL. Now add the PostgreSQL target. Give each connection a short alias, MI1 for MySQL and PG1 for PostgreSQL. Now both versions of the orders table can be referenced in a single federated query. Describe the checks in plain language: row count, total revenue, and the minimum and maximum order values. AI reads the live schemas and builds the query. The SQL stays in the editor for review before it runs. Run the comparison. The row counts match, but total revenue and the minimum order value don't. That's a silent data mismatch. The migration looks complete until you validate the actual values.